If influencers are not getting back to me, what do I need to change?
Then I think that goes back to what I originally said in the presentation. How are you outreaching to that influencer? If you're mass emailing random people, you're not addressing them by the name. You're only telling them what you want them to do. You're not recognizing anything about about their content, or about what you like about their what you like about their content, what you like about their messaging. I would really want to question, or I'd really want to know exactly what it is you're trying to do and how you've tried to do it, because it's very, very, very unlikely you're going to get a hell of a lot of no responses. So you're clearly doing something wrong, or you're trying to promote something really dodgy. Um, so yeah, I'd love to know exactly what it is you're trying to promote and see if I could help you there.